What happened to her? Like,
She was no more on 2nd September, and she was 3 years old that time, and she was
mhm.
abnormal.
Because there are few tests which are recommended to every pregnant woman, and there's a test like a dual marker test that can detect Down syndrome. If any,
I used to think like this when I was, not able to speak. So it was the same feeling with me. And since then, I am able to speak. So I have belief, I have trust that everyone can speak English very well.
so you
Yes,
have
yes.
to practice at home. You have to make yourself habitual. Then only you will be able to speak outside the house. Otherwise, why a person is good in writing? Because since their childhood they are writing. That is why
Right,
they are good in writing. Why they are good
right.
in grammar? From the first class to 12th class they have been learning grammar. That's why you
Yes.
are good into that. Why you are not good at speaking? Because you have never tried. Only your mindset which has to be changed, and you can
Yes.
see a drastic change in your communication skills. Yeah. So let's start now. Your picture is much better than earlier. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
I'm also pretty well. Thank you.
Okay, so we are new to each other. Let's start with the introduction.
Yeah, of course.
Okay,
So, first
so
of all, I would like to tell about myself.
uh,
Yeah. So, I'm Anjana and I'm connecting to you from UP, district Farrukhabad. It's just near Kanpur. I think you must have heard about Kanpur.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
So, I'm originally from Kanpur, but yeah, I got married in Farrukhabad. That's why I am here. And if I talk about my qualification, so I have done my post graduation in English literature from Kanpur University. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love teaching, listening music. Apart from that, I run a YouTube channel. Its name is Anjana Educational Videos. That's it.
Okay, that's great. Such a lovely introduction. So should I need to introduce, or do you know a little bit about me?
I know everything about you because I am your, viewer. I always love to listen you, and I always love to watch your videos because it's very beneficial and informative, not only for mine but also for all learners. Really, and
Thank you
I'm
so
feeling
much.
today that I'm lucky that I got a chance to connect with you.
Even I feel that I am lucky that finally I'm connected to somebody, because it's been 10 days I have not created any such video because of my son. He was not well. So
Yeah.
I was like thinking, I had doubt whether I should message somebody will available or not. But luckily, like you are available, so that's great. So we are connecting
I
today.
managed the time, I was in kitchen. When I checked my mobile, notification came. So just I checked that who sent me message, and I found that you sent me message. I was surprised. That's good.
Okay, that's lovely. That's lovely. So what is the name of your channel? What you said?
Yeah, my channel's name is Anjana's Educational Videos.
Okay, so are you like you also upload conversational videos there?
Yeah, but when I started my YouTube channel, that time I did not think about it that I will upload conversational videos. So yes, I would like to share something about me. So,
Okay.
it was 14 May 2023, and I was fully free that time. Actually, that time I had two kids. Now I have one. My second baby is no more now. So that time, yes, it was girl, and she was abnormal baby. So that time I was very disappointed. Like I used to think that now I can't go outside because I love teaching very much. I used to go outside before my second baby, but when I got my second baby, so it was impossible for me going outside. So I was, feeling disappointed. Like I used to think that my life is finished. I can't do nothing because I love teaching and I'm forgetting day by day everything if I will not share my knowledge. So I just started my YouTube channel for sharing my knowledge. Like whatever little knowledge I have, like how to form sentences, how to translate. So these type of sentences in beginning time I used to upload. And that time I was not able to speak, I was able to teach, but I was not able to speak English. When I came into YouTube and I found there are so many conversational videos, people have been practicing for a long time and they are getting improvement. Then I decided, firstly, I will improve. What am I doing? I know all things, I know all grammar rules, but I never speak English. So just I quit uploading that type of videos and I started practice on myself. now I want to enhance my speaking skills, so I started uploading conversational videos.
That's great. That's great. Okay, but sorry to say, but I would like to know more about your daughter. What happened to her? Like how old she is?
Yeah.
She
Uh,
was.
when, yeah, yeah. So she was no more on 2nd September, and she was 3 years old that time, and she was
Mm-hmm.
abnormal. Actually, her heart was not properly good. Uh, there were so many holes in her heart. That's why she was not, yes, growing. Yeah, that's why. And I don't have so much money. Like my husband is private teacher, so I can't afford so much money. It needs lakhs money for heart surgery.
Heart
So
surgery. Yes,
that's
yes.
why it was impossible for me. And she was 3 years old, and she was not able to speak, not able to sit. She was totally depend on milk only. And 3 years continuously, she was lying on the bed only. So
Oh.
that time I suffered a lot. So that
At
time,
the
that
same time, she was also suffering, I think, like the kid
it was
who's not
amazing.
able
Yeah.
to do. So that's
Yes,
a big
yes,
punishment for kid also. Okay,
yes,
but
yes.
these things did not detect during scans, ultrasounds.
Yeah, I did. I went, Haryana near um, Palwal. There was a hospital for kids on charity. That was hospital, Sakta Sai Sanjeevani Hospital for kids, heart surgery. But they denied me. They said, doctor said to me that it's a totally, very complicated case. It was very complicated case. That doctor was not sure that they can handle. So that's why. So I came back and I prayed to God that God, if you have given this kind of child, then you, take care it. Otherwise, you can take her life, because it's not good only my child and myself and for my family. So I think every adversity has an opportunity. So that's how I changed my mindset, and I wanted to keep myself busy on YouTube. That's why I started my YouTube channel.
Okay, I do understand. But you know what? My question is, I want to ask you something because I also have a pregnancy channel and I share a lot of things related to pregnancy there. I wanted to know
Okay.
like whether when you were pregnant, did you not recognize these kinds of abnormality during ultrasounds?
Yeah, that's my all family members are worried about it. That when I was pregnant, so my doctor never told me that you have any problem with your kid, or your kid's weight is very low. And when she was born, that time, doctor told me that her heartbeat is fast. So when I was pregnant, and that time no one told me that her heartbeat is fast. So I think they, sometimes I feel that doctor told a lie to me. I think they must have known all things, but they were taking
Obviously.
money. It was Corona time, and they were taking so much fees to me. And every month they call me for giving injection every month. Not every month. I think 20 days later I used to take injection. But how can we question to doctor if they consult us that you have to come, you have to take this medicine, you have to take this injection? So we feel that, yeah, I think we have some problem. That's why they are advising me, and we are sure to do that. So I was doing like this, and before my delivery 3 months ago, they gave me 3 injections of 700. 3 months, 700 per injection of 700. So now I think they knew all things, but they never told me. Yeah.
I think there is one more problem with the people also. Sometimes I feel that like the women are not that educated. They should always ask these questions to the doctor. Uh, when I was pregnant first with my first child, I have this problem of blood flow issue, and I was very much serious about that because I what I used to do whenever I get any ultrasound report, I used to search on Google everything, and this is how I get to know okay, this is something wrong going with me, and I started taking precautions. I started consulting consulting with other doctors as well. And this is how I overcome that problem. And my baby has delivered like very normally. There was no such issue with him. So, I think every person, every woman especially, has this knowledge, at least the basic
Yes,
knowledge, because
of
there
course.
are few tests which are recommended to every pregnant woman, and
Mm.
there's a test like a dual marker test that can detect Down syndrome. If any Down syndrome in your baby, that can detected already, like prior to
Yes,
going further within just 12 weeks of pregnancy.
yes,
So
yes,
I think if anybody, like the woman, if you're watching my channel, I would like to tell you that be serious about everything.
yes.
Don't feel that if doctor is taking care of you, so you cannot depend on him 100%.
Yes,
You have to search
sure,
on yourself also. You have to be knowledgeable about everything, whatever is going on with you. That's really important these days. And you know what, recently, like last year, my sister, she delivered a healthy baby, but due to some negligence on the part of doctor, she lost that baby, and it was really heartbreaking, because it was a boy, and it was completely healthy that time. And suddenly, doctor said he is okay and fine, and she just went to home, and after 2 days he died. So
yes,
these are the like many cases I have seen. I have create awareness video for that, and many people are sharing their story. It's not only the one case. There are so many
yes,
cases like this.
yes, yes.
And
They make
sometimes I feel
money
like
only. Mm-hmm.
not money only, but also like women are not that much knowledgeable. They should
Yes,
have some knowledge about the whole pregnancy. At least the things which they can take care themselves, they should know. So YouTube is the best source, I would say, for that also, because when I was married, obviously I did not know anything. But after marriage, after getting pregnant, I search every video, I listen to the doctors. There are so many good
yes.
doctors uploaded video on YouTube. So just watch them and have some basic knowledge about the pregnancy. That's important these days.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's move to the another topic now, because I feel really bad, because I don't know, because I am a mother, I can relate with it. Like it's
Yes,
very
yes.
difficult for a mother.
Yes, yes, and agree with you. Your advices are really good because we are mothers and we should aware for it, because we have YouTube, so we should have every kind of knowledge. Yeah,
Knowledge.
that what is true and what is false. Yes,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So yeah, what should we talk about?
we can discuss about um, new learners. Okay,
Ah,
I can discuss about, there are so many people, they are able to understand English and they always think that they can't speak English, because I used to think like this when I was, not able to speak. So it was the same feeling with me. And since then I am able to speak. So I have belief, I have trust that everyone can speak English very well. So
yes.
yes, I want to make sure every person that don't think so. If you are listening to us and if you want to learn English, so you should listen again and again. Yeah, and
Yes.
everyone can speak English very well.
The thing, like people, what people think, like they can't speak, that is only in their head. If they truly put effort, and if they seriously think like, okay, now I have to do it, they can do anything. Every person can do. It is only in our head that I can't do. Why you can't do?
Yes,
If
yes,
that person can do, you can also do. You both are same human being. It is not
yes,
something like he has extra, like, and you don't have. It's not like that. So
and
first of
I
all, people
believe in
has
one
to.
part. I believe
Yes.
in one part that it's total mindset. Like
Yes.
I my mind was set. Like as I told you earlier that I have done my post graduation in English literature. So I was good in writing, reading, and teaching, but I was not in good in speaking because I totally changed. Totally decided. I used to think that no, no, no. How can I speak? I don't have environment, and no one speak English here in my area. So how can I speak? I used to think like this. If anybody
Yeah.
used to ask me that you are teacher, you are teaching English, can you speak in English? So I used to give excuse every time. No, no, no. I have never joined spoken classes. I don't have environment. How can I speak? I used to
Yeah,
think that continuously. But when
that's
I
very common thing.
video conversational videos, and I found that there are so many person, not only from big city, even from rural area, they don't have environment. Still, they are speaking. So, I did nothing in my life. I did nothing. Only I changed my mindset. I
Yes.
changed. I started believing myself that, oh God, I have, wrong mentality. I know everything. How can't I speak? So when I started speaking, so just I speak. So that since then I have believed that, oh God, if you want to speak, not only listen, just speak. Start speaking just now. After then you can speak.
Yes, yes. People need to change their mindset first. They have to think in positive way that okay, now I am good with writing and listening, so I can also speak. First of all, this thinking should be developed, and then only a person will put 100% effort into it. So it's all in our head that I can't speak, I cannot be like him, I cannot speak fluent English. No. So be positive
Yes,
and keep learning and put positive efforts towards your goal, whatever your goal is.
yes, of course. And after listening your conversational videos, everyone can speak English very easily because your videos are really very helpful, and everyone can understand very easily, because
Yeah.
there are so many channels. We are unable to understand their structure and vocab, but your speaking way is very simple and very easy to understand for everyone, not only for beginner and learner, everyone. So, yeah.
Yes. Yeah, because in the beginning you need simple sentences and simple structures.
Yes,
Once you will
yes,
be habitual of speaking
yes,
basic English, then only you need some advanced level of vocabulary or structures and fluency. So for the basic people, it is okay to understand like this kind of English and watch these kinds of channel. And this is how you can improve your English as well. And speaking practice is must. Without speaking, if you think you can learn English, you can
yes,
speak without practice. You thought, okay, I can go somewhere and I can speak English. No, until you practice at home, you won't be able to speak anywhere. Some people
yes,
thought, especially if I talk about the people like 22 years age or 24 years of student, they thought they
yes,
are very good in writing. They are good in exam. They got 100% in their English exam. So they don't practice English and they directly appear in the interview. And when they
yeah,
appear, then they realize, okay, I'm not able to answer. It's not because only the nervousness, but also because you're not habitual of practicing English. So you
yes,
have
yes,
to practice at home. You have to make yourself habitual. Then only you will be able to speak outside the house. Otherwise, you won't be able to do that. Even though,
yes,
like, how much, even if you're perfect in English, you can't speak until you do speaking practice. That's important.
of course, because writing is another part, listening is another part, and speaking is
Yes.
another part. Because we don't have clarity in these parts. That's why we always think that if I'm good in writing, if I'm getting 100% marks in our writing skill, so we can speak English also. No,
Yes.
if you don't know writing, reading, still you can speak very well, because
Very well.
speaking,
Yes.
people don't think like, so that's why they always think that my English is good, I can speak English. But if you are not speaking, so you can never speak, whether
Yeah.
your English is good or not.
Why a person is good in writing? Because since their childhood they are writing. That is why
Right,
they are good in writing. Why they are good
right.
in grammar? From the first class to 12th class, they have been listening, oh, sorry, learning grammar. That's why you
Yes,
are good into that. Why you are not good at speaking? Because you have never tried, obviously.
yes,
So if you have this habit of speaking from your childhood, you must be perfect till now. If you're not yet perfect, just try giving chance to speak. Try
of-
speaking as more as you can. Then only your speaking will be perfect. People thought that it's a very difficult thing, we can't speak. No, it's not at all difficult. It's only your mindset which has to be changed, and you can
yes,
see a drastic
yes.
change in your communication skills. Yeah.
Really, this is solution only. And yes, I'm the example of it. As I told you that I knew all things, but I never spoke English. Yeah.
That's great. Okay, Anjana, it's a nice conversation to you. It's already 20 minutes. I have to go now. And in future, if I'll get chance, I'll surely connect with you again. And it's a lovely conversation. Yeah.
From my channel again, we will connect whenever you have time. Just send me message,
Sure.
okay? Yeah. And thank you
100%.
very much for giving your precious time. I'm really, have gratitude.
Thank you so much, Anjana. Thank you so much. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.